utilizes the feet. The most traditional form of hula is in the feet, the foundation of the house, the roots of the tree. Only when your feet are maika'i can you be the most beautiful tree with the most beautiful branches and leaves. And so this hula only focuses on the feet. And it's called Hoʻi Piko, and I learned this from one of my kumu who sadly has passed away, and her name was Leina ala Kealamailani. And she taught many of us kumu and our students this hula about 10 years ago when we were starting to have some pilikia up at Mauna Kea. And the idea was for us to remember that we have to malama again our lands and who we are. And Hoʻi Piko means to return to the piko, return to the center. And we always close out our kahiko portion with this hula. And it's a reminder to all of us that sometimes you have to return to the center, whatever that might mean for you. Sometimes it might be to go visit your family house. Hopefully it still exists, and sit down with your makua, your parents, your grandparents, and have a cup of coffee with them. Just talk story. This is specifically going out to you mamas, because oftentimes we have a lot on our shoulders, yeah? We are super women, yeah? If only people knew what we do. Plenty of it. Our children don't even know, yeah? We make a lot happen. And so we put a lot on our shoulders, and sometimes we feel a lot of guilt for things that we're not able to do at our best. And so this hula is just a gift to you, a ho'okupu, a makana, to say you are enough, and when you need some time for yourself, it is absolutely okay to jump in the water and kapukai and cleanse, and go to your nail salon and get your pedicure done. Go shopping, do whatever you need to do to find your center again. So, aloha lama kuahine to all of you moms, especially my mom who's sitting in the audience. Continues to help me with my keiki because I'm a single mama. So to her, mahalo nui. Again, mahalo to all of you mamas out there for what we do. Piko. Aloha, we are Hālau na Mamo, Kealamailani. I am TeHani, Kealamailani, Gonzado, Kumu, Hula of this Hālau. And I am so happy to be here with all of you. Everybody have a great day. Aloha la makuahine. Hoʻi.